This video takes you through the cumulative frequency and finding the median. The table shows the distance travelled by 40 cars in the period of 1 week. By forming a cumulative frequency column, find the median interval for the distance travelled. So let's first of all talk about cumulative frequency. So the cumulative frequency is a running total. I'm going to create an extra column on the right hand side to keep a running total of the distances travelled. And I'll explain what this means as we go along. Cumulative frequency in the first group is saying how many cars travelled 100 kilometres or less. You look at the upper limit, which should be 100 kilometres, and you think how many cars travelled 100 kilometres or less. Well, there's 2 cars travelled between 0 and 100, so 2 cars travelled 100 kilometres or less. The next group for the cumulative frequency would be how many travelled 200 or less. The upper limit of the second group is 200. How many cars travelled 200 kilometres or less? Well, there's 5 travelled between 100 and 200, and 2 between 0 and 100. All of those cars travelled 200 or less. So you'd get the 2 from the previous one and add the 5, and you would get 7. The next group then is how many travelled 300 kilometres or less. The upper limit is 300. How many cars travelled 300 kilometres or less? Well, there's 7 in the group 200 to 300, and we know there's 7 who travelled less than 200, so 7 plus the 7 is 14. And this is what we mean by a running total. We're just adding on the frequency to the previous cumulative frequency. How many travelled less than 400? Well, there are 12 travelled between 3 and 400, plus the 14 who travelled less than 300. So in total, how many travelled less than 400? 12 plus 14, which is 26. The next one would be less than 500, which is 26 plus the next 10 in that group, which is 36. And less than 600 should be your total frequency. There were 40 cars, and if you do 36 plus 4 in the last group, you get 40, which is what you want. So cumulative frequency simply means a running total, and it's how many are in this group or less, how many is in this group or less. So when I see the number 36 there, and I see it's in this group here, the 36 means how many cars travelled 500 kilometres or less. So all of the previous ones plus this group here. You won't always see this bit here, by the way, written down anywhere. You just assume it to be the upper limit of the interval. The interval being just the group. It's another word for group. So this here is your interval. Okay, and then just to say one more time, that 26 would then mean that there are 26 cars that took 400 kilometres or less. 2 plus 5 plus 7 plus 12 will give you 26. How is this useful to find the median? Well, from the last video, hopefully you can remember how to find the median. The median is, if there are 40 cars, you can add 1 and divide it by 2, and that will tell you which is the middle value. So 41 divided by 2 is 20.5. We're looking for where the 20.5th value is, what interval that is in. If we go through, the first 2 cars are here, then the next 5, so 7 in total, are here. The next 7, so the first 14 cars are in here. So the first 14 cars are in the first 3 groups. The first 2 in here, the next 5 in here, the next 7 in here. That represents the first 14 cars. Now the 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, up until the 26th is in here. So this group has from the 15th to the 26th, and the 20.5th value is in the group or the interval, doesn't really matter. It asks me for the interval, but the group's the same thing. So the 20.5th value is in that group I've indicated. That's in the group 300 less than or equal to D less than 400. So that's my answer.